What's up, YouTube? This is the Bass Guy. Hey, letting y'all know I got my G10 and my G50, and right now I'm doing some wiring. Right now, I'm trying to parallel these two batteries together and make it look as neat as possible. This is definitely a challenge when it comes to trying to figure out where I want to route these wires at. You got all these powers over here, and I ain't even did my ground yet for over here. But right now I'm just doing all these batteries. Well, both of these batteries in parallel right now, and after this show, because right now for now I'm gonna be charging at 14.8 until the 22nd. Then I'll be taking my alternators out. I'll be taking the alternators out, sending them out so they can get regulators put in there so I can charge at 15.5. And I'm not running a battery up front anymore. As y'all see, there's nothing here, so I have no battery up here. But my alternators are still grounded. Sorry I ain't got no light, but I forgot to put it on. But I'm definitely doing the batteries right now. Once I hook up all the negatives, I'm gonna start with the positives, and we can get this show on the road. But yeah, this is the G10 and the G50, like I told you all. And we're gonna see how this voltage is once everything is set up. All right, y'all got any comments? Hit me up.